Storage devices. Storage devices in a computer are used to store data and programs. There are two main types of storage devices: primary storage and secondary storage. Primary storage is the computer's short-term memory. It is where the data and instructions that the CPU is currently using are stored. Primary storage is very fast to read from and write to, but it is also very volatile, meaning that the data stored in primary memory is lost when the computer is turned off. Secondary storage is the computer's long-term memory. It is used to store data and programs that are not currently being used by the CPU. Secondary storage is not as fast as primary storage, but it is also non-volatile, meaning that the data stored in secondary memory is not lost when the computer is turned off. Some common examples of primary storage devices include RAM. Random access memory RAM is the most common type of primary storage. It is used to store data and instructions that the CPU is currently using. Cache memory is a type of very fast memory that is used to store data and instructions that are frequently used by the CPU. ROM, read-only memory, is a type of non-volatile memory that is used to store the computer's BIOS firmware. Some common examples of secondary storage devices include hard disk drives. HDDs are the most common type of secondary storage. They use magnetic platters to store data. Solid-state drives, SSDs, are a newer type of secondary storage that uses flash memory to store data. SSDs are much faster than HDDs, but they are also more expensive. Optical drives are used to read and write data to optical discs, such as CDs, DVDs, and Blu-rays. Removable storage devices, such as USB flash drives and SD cards, can be used to store and transfer data between computers. The type of storage device that you need will depend on your specific needs. If you need fast storage for data and programs that are frequently used, you will need a primary storage device such as RAM or cache memory. If you need to store a lot of data, you will need a secondary storage device such as an HDD or SSD.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on computer hardware and other tech topics.